Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. Here are 10 quick facts about Costa Rica, Latin America. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. It may be surprising, but most roads in Costa Rica do not have names. Instead, there are numbers, but often no one knows these numbers. The national anthem plays on the radio every morning. Most major radio stations play the anthem each morning at 7 a.m. 25% of the land is conservation. With 12 ecological zones and over 100 national parks, reserves and protected lands, Costa Rica is a true display of Mother Nature's beauty. Costa Rica generates 98% of its energy needs from renewable sources. In honor of the Virgin of the Sea, every year around mid-July, the port city of Punta Arenas becomes the center of the festivity Fiesta de la Virgen del Mar. The country has over 100 volcanoes, like the Arenal, Jacó and Irazú. Nicoya, on the west coast of Costa Rica, is a well-known blue zone, which means that its inhabitants usually lead an active life beyond 100 years. Costa Rica is ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world. It is proud of the fact that since 1948 the country has no army. Costa Rica is the second largest banana exporting country in the world. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you!